Welcome to our beginner sewing class, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a sewing machine. This right here is an industrial sewing machine. It sews straight stitches, which is its basic function. But although you could also use it for zigzag by getting the foot for those for zigzag sewing. Then back to it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to thread an industrial sewing machine, how to wind your bobbin, and some few maintenance you need to know of your industrial machine. So if this is what you're here for, let's get right into it. So I'll be showing you how to thread an industrial machine. So let's start from the beginning. So I'm going to place my thread right here. I'm going to be passing it through this hole. So my thread, I'm going to pass it through this hole. For the next step, I'm going to be taking my thread into this hole. Let me zoom it. So I've zoomed it so you can see what I'm talking about. This phase. Why different industrial machines have different settings, but for my industrial machine, this is the setting. So I'm taking my thread through this hole first, then I'm going to take it around here. Yes, and I will be passing it through this other hole. That's for the second step of threading. Then I will take it just, so let me just bring the camera forward so you see now. Next I'm going to be passing my thread through this place. See, I'm taking it from up into the first hole, then I'm going to place it in the second hole, just like this, same way up. Then I'm going to draw my thread out. So now I'll be taking it round this wheel, as you can see. So I'm taking it around just like this. Can you see that? So let me bring this forward. Now I'm going to be taking my thread. After taking it around here, I'm taking it into this place. See, just like that. Now I'm going to be taking my thread into this hole. You have to follow all the steps because every step is important. Then you take it into this other hole, just like that. Now for the last step, you're just going to take your thread into this place, then you take it into this hole, and pass it through your needle. So let me show you the needle mouth. So this is the eye of the needle. So I'm going to take my thread and come out, pass through the eye of the needle, just like this. So I brought on my eye. Now my short sew. So my short sew, I'm going to be placing it into the bottom. So this is my bobbin. So this is my bobbin. My bobbin pin is inside my short sew rather. This is a shuttle for the machine, and I'm going to be placing it into this wheel here. So placed it like so for the industrial machine, so it's balanced. Now I'm going to close. So to bring out my thread for my bobbin, I'm just going to hold the wheel the way I'm holding it now and press onto my foot. So I do this while my machine is off, and it's important at the beginning to always do this while your machine is off, so that you don't go and make any mistake. Because when your machine is on, you make mistakes. So as you can see, I've brought it out. Okay? I brought out my bottom thread, the thread in my shirt. So as you can see, I brought out my thread from the bottom for my shirt onto the top part. Now that is that for threading an industrial sewing machine. So up next, I'm going to be showing you how to wind your bobbin.